These are marshmallows. We're gonna put them in the microwave. How long would you say we put these in for?
Probably about 30 seconds, maybe 45.
30 seconds. Oh, they're getting big now. They're just started.
You might want to add 30 seconds to that. There's a lot more now.
30 more seconds. It's getting a little bigger now.
We might want to put a paper towel under it, just in case. What? Oh.
Whoa!
Oh my gosh! I'm telling you, that's gonna leak all over the microwave.
It's not my microwave.
Come on!
It's not my microwave.
Just open it up, put a paper towel under it, and then we'll go again. Oh my gosh. Now we have a paper towel under it. We're getting another go at this.
I feel like
they'll get to full size. We'll eat them afterwards. How about that? Add more time. Oh my gosh!
Look at the one in the middle.
I know!
You probably should have had it.
Whoa. It's like focusing on that. Whoa! Take them out! Take them out!
Voila.
Take them out! Careful. Careful.
And here, how we have
Lift up the plate.
served. Here's the marshmallows.
Do it again.
I'm trying to get the.
It's so crazy.
It's still very hot.
Eat it.
Eat it?
Yeah, eat it.
I was already eating
Rip it off and eat it. I kind of got in a sticky mess, but I can get out of it. I know I can. There goes nothing. You might want to watch out.
No, I'm fine.
Taste it. It's gonna come off. I know. There it goes. It's coming. It's coming off. Yeah. My fingers hurt. Were so bad. Yeah. Yeah.
Well, you got it off.
Ow. From doing that, my fingers hurt. Like they're tingling. I don't know. It like pulled my fingers.
I think you should leave that there.
No, I'm getting it the rest off.
Maybe you should wash your hands.
Good idea. Hey guys.
If you like what you see,
Subscribe.